Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a planetary gear in FreeCAD. First is click empty file, click tools, add-on manager, and just search up gear. This is what we'll be using for the gear workbench. The planetary gear. So we're going to click install, then we're going to go to gear once you have the gear workbench. Now apart from this next part is very easy. It only requires 5 gears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that we have 5 gears, what I'm going to do is click top view. We're firstly going to get the 4th gear. These were all the same dimension, so this is fine. Get involute gear 001 and put that 15 millimeters above. Then involute gear number 2 7.5, 12.9. Oh wait, yes. This one here is supposed to be minus 15, not 15. And then we could just reverse one of these calculations for the third one. So let's do minus 7.5. Oh no, 12.99 minus 7.5. Wait, let's just check this model real quick. So we got this one here. These two are too close. No. Okay, now I remember. This is supposed to be 12.99. This is supposed to be minus 7.5. This is supposed to be minus 12.99. This is supposed to be 7.5. And these three are now done. What we're going to do is rotate this on an angle of 12. Now what we're going to do with the last gear that has not been modified since the start is go down, number of teeth. The pitch diameter is 15 millimeters. Let's just change that to 45, to the number of teeth. Now the pitch diameter is 45 meters. Then again, we're going to rotate this on an angle of 12. We're going to go click part. We're going to click this cylinder. I'm going to adjust the height to 5 millimeters. We can zoom out on this one. Anything bigger than the gear. Then we're going to select the gear, hold shift, select the bigger 45 teeth gear, click cut right next to Boolean operation. And here is your planetary gearbox. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add another cylinder so that when we 3D print it, we can actually like twist the middle knob. So going to put this at a height of 18. You can also add some of your own limiters and the extra add-ons to keep the gear in place, but I'm mainly just doing this for fun. I'm not doing this in any project or anything. But what you could potentially use this for is probably to slow down a motor, or ratio limiters, not ratio limiters, where the gears when they rotate, you know, the can get slowed down over time. But yeah, bye guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe and share. Bye. I'm going to 3D print this.